Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. You're watching 412 PSC Customs here on YouTube. My name's Matt Sr., founder and CEO of 412 Public Safety Equipment Customs here in Pittsburgh, PA. Industry leader in building specialty vehicles, specializing in emergency fleet services. So, this video is kind of a offshoot from a previous video that I just recently did, where we took a pretty good close-up look at the Soundoff Signal Intersector undermirror lights. We're going to take a look at the surface mount version of those as well here in another video. But I wanted to take a look at an older version of the intersectors that I have in amber. Kind of gives you just another look at a different color. Now, I will say this set here were just removed from one of my vehicles, and they're going to go on another vehicle. I'm still looking into getting a set of the Phoenix undermirror lights to install as demo lights as well, but even for a dealer, they're very gosh darn expensive, so bear with us on that. This has very limited flash patterns, being that it is one of the older versions. It is single color. There is no white override. There is no dual color. This is a 9 LED version though, so they are pretty bright. So I'm just going to go through the patterns for you guys, and we'll check them out. Now, I have these set in an alternating pattern, obviously. I go through all the different wedges and we take a look at a brand new set of these in a red color. Definitely head back, check that out. If you like this video, you'd like to see more content such as this video, smash that thumbs up button. It lets us know that we're doing something right. If you haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Click that bell icon and make sure that you set yourself up to not miss any of our uploads. We don't necessarily upload on a regular basis, and sometimes when I do get around to it, we upload a couple videos at a time, so it can definitely be sporadic depending on how busy the shop is, how busy I am, and what sort of equipment we have to bring to you guys. And I am still working on incorporating the written consent into our builds so that we can publish the media that we take on our vehicle builds. It has been kind of a tough transition. A lot of our customers do not consent currently to allowing us to publish that media, so we're kind of trying to do a transition to where that is included in our contracts to allow us to, bring that to you guys. But I do apologize. Some people are kind of late to the train when it comes to social media, so we'll update you on that, as things progress. Be sure to be kind to one another out there. Again, make the hashtag go viral. Hashtag be the kind kid. Until next time, be safe out there, guys.